Hi there and welcome to another MT2 trading platform tutorial video. In today's tutorial I will show you how the signal builder indicator that comes with our platform works and how you can start using it. With the signal builder you'll be able to design, create and test your own trading strategies. The signal builder has a built-in signals transmission feature, so you do not need to use the supplied MT2 connector to receive its signals with the MT2 trading platform. What you need to do here is set special input parameters for enabling this feature, as I will show you in this video. Signal Builder requires 9 of the most famous technical analysis strategies and allows you to combine and customize them in order to fit your needs. So let's see how it's done. So here we are on our MetaTrader platform. As you can see, you will need to open up a new chart. For this example, we will open a Euro US dollar chart and set it up for the desired time frame. The next step will be to attach the signal builder indicator to your chart. You can find all your indicators in the navigator bar to the left side of your chart. To do so, head over to the navigator and click on the signal builder and drag it into your chart. Once you've dragged it, a window will pop up as shown on the screen. On this window, you'll be able to customize and build your signals. As you can see, there are many parameters which will be modified and organized in different groups, so let's have a look at each of them. The first group are based on general trading parameters, and you'll be able to choose to enable or not trading. This is the built-in signals transmission feature that I mentioned in the beginning. Enabling this parameter activates the built-in connector, so you do not need to connect it separately with the MT2 auto connector. The next parameter is the desired broker we will work with. By default, all is selected. This means that the signal will be accepted by all of the supported brokers. The name of your signal, trade amount for each operation, expiry time for each operation, martingale type, martingale steps, and martingale coefficient. The second group corresponds to the back testing functionality, and you'll be able to backtest your designed signal based on historical market data. Seeing for yourself the results, you will then be able to choose to enable or not backtesting, starting date for test, ending date for test, broker minimum payout percentage. Pay attention that you might need to pre-download history market data and allow your bars per chart if you have to select a long test time period. How to do this, I'll show you in a separate tutorial video. The third group contains all of the technical indicators that you can combine and use to design your own strategy. Let me explain each one of them. Bollinger Bands. This is one of the most used indicators to compare the volatility of the price of any asset and the relative value of its price over a period of time. You'll have 2 Bollinger Bands indicators and you'll be able to choose to enable them or not. Bollinger Bands periods, Bollinger Bands deviation, Bollinger Bands shifts, and type of price. The RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Indicator and shows the force of the movement, you'll be able to choose to enable RSI or not in the RSI period, RSI price, RSI overbought and oversold levels. CCI, which stands for Commodity Channel Index, is a versatile indicator that can be used to identify a new trend in the market or warn about extreme conditions. You'll be able to choose to enable CCI or not in the CCI period, CCI price, CCI overbought and oversold levels. AO standing for Awesome Oscillator, an indicator used to measure market momentum. You'll be able to choose to enable or not AO, AO overbought and oversold levels. SO, this stands for Stochastic Oscillator. An indicator compares the current closing price with the price range for a certain period of time. You'll be able to choose to enable or not SO. SOK period, SOD period, SO slowing, SO mode, SO price, SO overbought and oversold levels. WPR standing for Williams percentage range, a dynamic indicator that determines the overbought, oversold status and good conditions for market reversal. You'll be able to choose to enable or not WPR, WPR period, WPR overbought and old oversold levels. Shadow candle filter. This filter will be used to ignore signals on candles with a low candles body to candles shadow ratio. Since the shadow of a candle indicates where the market price has fluctuated and already has done some market corrections, the bigger the shadow, the lower the reversal energy. You'll be able to choose to enable shadow candle filter or not, minimal body shadow ratio. The lower the ratio, the bigger the shadow you're going to tolerate. Once you've finished building your signal, just click on the OK button to show this on screen. As you can see, the strategy is now being applied to the chart, and you can see the white checkbox on the bottom left corner of the chart. It indicates the signal builder is successfully connected. Signals will be automatically sent to the bot without the need to load the MT2 auto connector. Also, you can see the back test results information that is displayed in the top right corner of the chart. And since we have enabled the backtester, this information includes the basic trading information and also amount of trades and win rate of your signal. That's all for this feature. Hopefully you can take advantage and design some awesome trading strategies. So kind regards and happy trading from the MT2 team.